Hey everyone! Today we're checking out the Dreame Aqua 10 Ultra Roller, a flagship robot vacuum and mop that promises truly hands-free floor cleaning. It combines powerful suction, continuous freshwater mopping, smart obstacle avoidance, and a fully automatic dock that can wash, dry, and empty. For us. Let's keep it simple and see what it does well, where it struggles, and whether it deserves a spot in our home. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Unboxing and setup. In the box we get the robot, the all-in-one base station, water tanks, dust bag, and the usual power cable and documentation. Setup is pretty straightforward. 1. Place the dock against a wall with some space on both sides. 2. Fill the fresh water tank and install the dust bag. 3. Pop the robot on the dock, open the app, and connect it to Wi-Fi. Once we're connected, the Aqua 10 Ultra Roller does a quick mapping run using its 360-degree retractable LDS and dual front cameras, builds a 3D map of our home, and we're ready for the first full clean. Design and quick setup. The dock has a tall, modern design that looks more like a premium appliance than a gadget we want to hide. The robot itself is low profile with a roller mop at the front and dual brushes underneath. Key features: cleaning and mopping. The star feature is the Aqua Roll TM system. Instead of dragging a dirty pad around, the Aqua 10 continuously rinses its roller with fresh water, so the part touching our floor is always being refreshed. We get strong suction up to 30,000 Pascal, a wide roller that scrubs stains instead of just wiping, adjustable water levels so we can tune how wet we want our floors. For carpets, there's an automatic guard and lift system that helps keep rugs dry while the robot passes over them, so we can mop hard floors without turning our carpets into a damp mess. Self-cleaning dock. The dock hot washes the roller with very hot water to break down greasy dirt. Hot dries the roller to prevent bad smells and mold. Auto empties dust into a large dust bag that can last for weeks. In day-to-day life, that means we mostly just refill fresh water, empty dirty water, and swap the dust bag every now and then. The rest is automatic. Navigation, obstacles, and smart features. For navigation, the Aqua 10 uses laser mapping plus front cameras to build an accurate map of our home and avoid obstacles like cables, shoes, and pet bowls. We can set rooms, zones, no-go areas, and custom schedules right from the app. It supports voice control and works with smart home systems, so we can trigger cleaning routines without even opening the app. For families with pets, the strong suction, dual brushes, and optional cleaning solution help handle fur and reduce odor around litter boxes and feeding areas. Conclusion. The Dreame Aqua 10 Ultra Roller isn't just a basic robot vacuum, it's a full floor care system. If we live in a busy home, have pets, and want our hard floors actually scrubbed instead of lightly wiped, this robot really changes how often we think about cleaning. It's not cheap, and it does need space for the dock, but in return, we get powerful suction, serious mopping, smart obstacle avoidance, and a dock that handles most of the dirty work for us. If we're looking for a true set-it-and-forget-it cleaning solution, the Aqua 10 Ultra Roller absolutely earns a spot at the top of our shortlist. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.